up here. So in order to set up the initial database, we need to register the device. The registration format is in application/JSON, where the fields are device ID, password connected to it, and a trust level. Over here, we've initialized an LED device with a trust level of 1. As you can see, we have previously also initialized an Alexa device with a trust level of 2. This means that the Alexa can send commands to the LED, but the LED cannot command the Alexa to do something. This is based on our trust level system, where devices on the same trust level can interact with those on the same trust level or those below it, but not with those above it. Now, as you can see, we have an LED client open here. If I go into the code for this, you can see the LED client sends a post request to the login API endpoint in order to retrieve a JWT token so that it can interact with a WebSocket interface. Over here, we'll do the same thing, pretending to be an Alexa using Postman. So I'll go to login, change my device to Alexa, and enter its password. We do not need the trust level field over here. When I send it, I will get an encryption key to decrypt messages it receives and its JWT token. I can now take this token and make a socket request. This is done using URL parameters. Token is equal to our current token. After I connect to our WebSocket server, you can see that I am listening for messages and any connection messages. I can replace the token with our current token in our request, and to the LED device, I can tell it to turn on the lights. Now let's connect our LED by just refreshing this page once. And you will see that it's logged in through the post request as we showed before and has successfully connected to our WebSocket server in a secure fashion. Now, when I send this message, you'll get a decrypted message over here on the LED page. But as you can see, Postman shows that there is no incoming message on the Alexa, or that is the trust level 2 platform. And see, after we receive the message, you can trigger an action such as showing some text, turning a light on. This is just a sample application so that you can get an idea of what is possible. This can be done through interface applications such as IETE and inbuilt APIs on the Alexa app, Google Home apps, and other smart devices nowadays. For an example, if I'm sending a message back to another Alexa, let's say, and say turn down the volume, you will see that our LED client over here does not receive this message as it was not directed towards it. However, our Alexa, which is on the same trust level, does have access to this and can see it as it was directed towards itself. All of the encrypted content, which is the message, is encrypted using AES 256 GCM, and it is the industry standard for encrypting messages and communication relays today. That is it. Thank you.